this shit?
Hey, 58 weeks right here, man. I started this shit in it.
See, Ray-Chezzy, you feel me, with my nigga Super Dave. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, right? That's cool. Let's see the fly. Let's see that hoe. Let's see that hoe. See, that was just some little breeze. The nigga a married man, so nigga. Ray-Chezzy, follow your boy. Holla back. Here with my nigga. My here. Ray-Chezzy, you feel me? Already, you know what I'm saying? All these goddamn country old people, you feel me? R-A-Y-C-H-T, you feel me? Pulling up, you know what I'm talking about? You never know who out here, man. Straight up. Up here, all these people out here, nigga. Need a promoter, need a verse. Grilling on these hoes.
Ray-Chezzy.
Try to go. Look how clear that bitch look. Look how clear that shit look here.
What it look, bum?
Super Dave right there.
It don't matter, nigga. Look at all this here.